Hello everyone, I'm Pratyusha from Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we have to conduct a celebrity interview. I have to interview Ms. Padma. She is working as a software engineer. Hello ma'am.
Hi Pratisha.
How are you ma'am?
I'm doing good. How you are doing?
Yes ma'am, I'm doing well ma'am. We would like to know about your career and how do you start your career. And firstly, we have to know about your studying ma'am. And where and how did you complete your studying ma'am?
I have completed my schooling and college in Vijayanagaram from the Gayatri School and the Gayatri College.
Yes ma'am, I know about your college and school ma'am.
It was very famous.
Yes ma'am. So, where are you complete your graduation ma'am?
So I have completed my graduation from Miracle Educational Society group of institutions.
Where your college place ma'am?
So it is located in Bhogapuram.
Yes ma'am, I know about this college. So, what are most memorable moments in your graduation ma'am?
So in my graduation, so initial days were tough because we all
Everyone are
freshers.
freshers.
So those days were initially tough, but later on all are happy days once I became the senior.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know ma'am. So, what are you are working as a software engineer ma'am. So, what are the qualities are needed to require software engineer ma'am?
Yeah, so according to me, software engineers should carry few skills like always they need to upskill their skills
Yes.
and always they should be an expressive. So in the work environment, so if you are not expressive, so management should not know that you are working.
Yes. Who is your inspirational person in your family or anything ma'am?
So in my family, if I consider my inspiration, truly is my brother.
Yeah. So, when you are start your software career ma'am?
So I started my career in 2018.
You are graduated up to 2017 ma'am?
Yeah, I graduate in year 2017. So 1 year I struggled for the job, looking for the job, attending the interviews, and finally I got job in 2018.
Which branch you are studying ma'am?
So I studied ECE.
So as you are studying ECE, but how do you are working as a software engineer ma'am?
So to be very honest, so when I was choosing, when I want to study in the BTech, so I don't know and I am not aware which branch to be choose. So but with the elders or with the family members' suggestions, I have taken ECE somehow. Then once I am into the ECE, then my professors.
I am also studying ECE ma'am present.
Yeah. So it is very important that once we started studying, so we should know where we are good at. So while I am studying C programming language, data structures, so found that skills in me. So they have encouraged me, and then at that point I realized that okay, so I want to be a software professional.
Which coding you are know ma'am?
So currently I'm working as a Salesforce developer. So in our technology we use an Apex programming language. So it was implemented based on the core Java.
Okay ma'am. And we are studying ECE, but anyway we can do anything ma'am. So what are the needs to face that problems ma'am?
Do you mean what kind of problems?
That means you are studying ECE.
Yes.
So but you are doing in software. So we are facing some troubles or anything. So how can we overcome it ma'am?
Yeah. So you can overcome those skills by learning respective programming languages. So basic programming language every software should have is a core Java. So core Java is an important.
Okay. You can choose any option, ma'am. Software engineer or any competitive exams.
When for any C graduates.
After your graduation, ma'am.
Yeah, according to your interest, you can choose your career. So is this journey you can able to understand your skills, right? So according to your skills and according to your strengths, you can choose.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pratisha,
Okay.
introducing me in your college. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. I really very happy to interview you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.